Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode we will be learning how to download and install Roblox application on your iPhone. First of all, open App Store from your iOS device. Also make sure that the device is connected to a stable internet connection. Once you're in the home screen of your App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right. Go to the search bar at the top and type in Roblox. In the search result, look for this application from Roblox Corporation and tap on the Get or the Download icon. If you are downloading the app for the first time on your iOS device, you'll need to confirm using Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. Once the download finishes, tap on Open to open up the Roblox app on your iPhone. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded Roblox on your iPhone in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick tutorials. I will see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching.